The Excel screen shows us, apart from the area of work, comprising the cells, rows, and columns in which we will carry out our work, it has a number of additional elements that will help us complete our task. In this version, we have the quick access bar, which has the Save button and two very useful buttons, Undo and Redo. For when we want to undo or we are not sure that we have completed an action well, we will return to the previous point and do it again. Here we have the different sheets of this Excel workbook. Microsoft Excel is the program that we have open. We have the file Prubayon, XLSX open, and this is an Excel spreadsheet workbook. It is a workbook because it has various sheets. In the specific case or by default, it opens 3 sheets, but with this button we can always create or add new sheets within this workbook. Here we have the status bar, which says that we are in normal mode, data entry mode. We have buttons for showing the area of work in one or other particular way. Specifically, we have a zoom bar that we can use to expand or reduce the cells. The size of the cells in order to see them better. We have the formula bar where it tells us what cell we are in at the time. What is the working cell is at that moment. The active cell, which is this one, which is the one we have selected at each moment. Its content, at this moment the entire sheet is empty. And the greatest innovation on this version of the entire Office suite, and in particular of Excel, is the tool bar. The old tools that were grouped in drop-down menus in previous versions of Office software have been distributed differently, so now we have this bar with different tabs, different groups. For instance, here we have the group relating to the tools that have to do with the fonts, with the alignment, with the number, with the styles, etc. And all the tools are going to be here, grouped. We can say that the distribution is an active distribution which depends a bit on our workplace. For instance, here we have a screen of a certain size. But if we, the Excel window, if we make it smaller, we see that the different tools that are in the ribbon become grouped together, occupying a smaller space, while always maintaining more or less the same style. Or it tries to keep, say, what Excel thinks are the most used buttons or tools visible, the ones it thinks will be most useful to me. All right, let's leave this screen now. Lastly, we have the button file, which is a window that brings together different actions such as save, save as, open, close, and print. All of them constitute what is usually known as the back office of the software. In other words, the behind the scenes. Normally, when we open the program, we will always be in the Start tab. And most of the time we will work on this one, or we will go to the more specific tools tabs of the function that we want to use in our spreadsheet. Well, students, I hope this general overview was useful and insightful. In future lessons we will get into more specific actions we can use the program for.